Hey, social cam. In my hand, I hold a liver. I don't like liver, and I've never seen a dog that does not like liver. You'll meet her today. Her name is Maya. She hates liver. Come here, Maya. Maya. Maya, come here. Go over there. No, you guys go. This is not for you. This is for Maya. Come on, Maya. Come on, pretty girl. Get inside. Good girl. Maya. I got something for you. She just dropped it. She dropped it. She doesn't like liver. She'll eat it, but she doesn't like it. Go ahead. You ate it. Good girl. Come on. Let's go outside again. Daddy. Go. Well, there you go. She doesn't like liver. Bye.